Warranty and maintenance policy of Go&Go automatic wash system. Here is the nightmare scenario. You spend thousands of dollars importing an automatic washing machine. The machine arrives, you set it up, customers start lining up, and then 1 month later, it breaks down. Now that the local technician can't fix this, the supplier does not answer your email, and every single day your machine is down. You are losing money. This is the painful reality many business owners face when they buy equipment without a solid warranty and maintenance plan. That's why in today's video, we are going to talk about something absolutely critical: the warranty and maintenance policies of Go&Go automatic wash system. Most people focus only on the price when buying the machine. They compare model, feature, maybe even speed. But here is the truth. The real cost of your machine is not just what you pay upfront. It's what happens over the next 12 months, 24 months, and beyond. If you don't have a reliable warranty coverage, every breakdown becomes your financial problem. If you don't have a maintenance plan, every little issue snowballs into big downtime, and downtime equals lost revenue. Customers don't care if your machine is broken. They will simply go to your competitor down the street. So what makes Go&Go different? Let's break it down. 12-month warranty coverage. Every Go&Go automatic wash machine, whether for motorbike or car, comes with a full 1-year warranty. This includes the motor, the electrical circuit, and the control board. If any of the critical components fail within the warranty period, replacement parts are sent to you free of charge. Fast global shipping apart. Depending on the size and the weight, we send replacement parts either by express, courier, or by sea freight. That means no more waiting months without a solution. Maintenance part. If we don't just leave you with a machine, Go&Go provide a maintenance guide, training for your staff, and even remote support for our technicians. Our team can work your local staff step by step through troubleshooting, so your business keeps running. Affordable after warranty service. Even after the warranty period, you are not left alone. Spare parts are available, and because Go&Go manufactures directly, you avoid middleman markup. That means long-term savings and peace of mind. Now let's be real. Machines are machines. They are need maintenance eventually. The question is, will that maintenance bankrupt you, or will it be manageable? Imagine two scenarios. Scenario A, you buy a cheaper machine from an unknown supplier. After 3 months, the motor burns out. No warranty, no service team. You are forced to buy a new motor at full price, pay huge shipping costs, and work more. Your business dies either for 2 weeks. Customer leave, reputation drop, money evaporate. Scenario B, you buy a Go&Go machine. 3 months in, something goes wrong. You contact support, and within days, a replacement part is on the way. A technician guides your staff online, and the machine is packed up quickly. Your downtime is minimal, your customers are happy, and your profits keep flowing. Which scenario would you choose for your business? Obviously, scenario B, because at the end of the day, your business is not just about machine, it's about reliability, trust, and customer satisfaction. So here is the bottom line: when you invest in an automatic wash system, you are not just buying steel, motor, and electronics, you are buying peace of mind. At Go&Go, we understand the pain of downtime, the fear of losing customer, and the frustration of supplier who disappoint disappear after sale. That's why our warranty and maintenance policies are designed to keep your business running, protect your investment, and give you confidence every single day. If you want to see how Go&Go support entrepreneurs worldwide, click the link in the description, watch real installation, hear from real customers, and see for yourself why Go&Go is not just selling machines. We are building long-term partnerships. Don't gamble with your business. Don't wait until your machine breaks to ask about warranty. Choose the partner who supports you before, during, and long after the purchase. Choose Go&Go.